Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video after 3 weeks, and yeah, so in this video I have already written some code. I told you about, I will tell you how to create my Indian guide to my country website. So today this video is going to be a guide to that, and yeah, this website you will be able to make these buttons and do this, and then the facts click. You won't be able to make the facts part. That's for the another video. So let's start. So I've already done some code which I'll explain. Now you might see that there's a new boilerplate that I'm using. Like I will just show you. This is the new one. Yeah. So this is kind of hard to understand because yeah, it is hard to understand. So the first line, the doc type HTML, which is here, means that this HTML page was made in HTML5 language. This just tells the browser that it is an HTML page made in HTML5. Then there is the language of HTML page, which is English. Then there is a head tag, which inside this meta cars. This is not important right now. I'll tell you about it later. Then there, this one is important, meta name viewport content. So this just states that the website width will be equal to the device width, so that you don't have any disadvantage or advantage viewing on mobile, tablet or a computer. So that's just for that. The title and then the body, and the rest of you know on your own because I already told you about it. So yeah, let me close this. So this and then in title I have written tutorial, a guide to my country. So after that the body tag. In the body tag I have added a header. Why have I added a header? This we will know when we add CSS. In this video this is not for CSS, this is just HTML. So yeah, this is the header, and now and the tag H1. In the H1 tag there is just straight up India has many tourist sites. This website will show you some how to send the location. H1 tag, so yeah, it opens, and then the image. This image is for Indian map, in the India map that you just saw in this picture, the same map. So it just looks good. And then there is an button. So this is need to be explained. So first I will write this whole code. So the first thing that we have to do is add a button tag, and then we have to name the button. So I can name the button anything I want. Like I can even name the button Akshar, whatever. But this time I am going to name it something proper. Like this website will have a place which is Qutub Minar, so I will add that. And then the button will, as soon as somebody clicks, the name will be of Qutub Minar. Then now we have to add in a hyperlink so that we can link to sites, which is then like this. A and the href. A tag is just for making it work. Then A and hyperlink. Then you have to name the site. Which I've already created a page which is kutubminar.html. I just have to write it here. So, and then the most important part is just closing the bracket. So, closing it and then starting it. Why? So like here you can see the button is glowing red. You don't want that. That is not good. So now if you hover on this A tag, then you see that nothing, there is no purple or anything color, then no color, and we have also not closed the bracket. So if we add this and then we hover on this, then we can see that this is closed. Like there is a bracket here, a bracket here, and then we can see that the button has turned black. We also don't want that. We want the button to be blue. So we will just add a bracket, opening bracket, which will close everything. So it's pretty simple. You can even copy paste the code so that you are always exact. Now after this, you just save the file and then just file, open a default viewer, and it will open and we will see. Now yeah, at starting this looks very ugly because there's obviously no CSS done on this. As soon as I add CSS, it will look much better, but CSS will be for next video. This video is just for HTML. Now then there's, you can see there's a button called Qutub Minar. So if we click on it, then we get to another page. In this page I will tell you what have I done. So this is the page that we get. Now the same boilerplate is used in this page because it is just a better boilerplate. So that's why it's HTML advanced, I have named it. Then the title of Qutub Minar, and then there's the head, body tag, and the paragraph tag. In the paragraph it just says this is a video below. So yeah, basically I'm going to tell you how to add videos in your web page in this time. So Now before that, I will tell you about this break tag, BR tag, which means break. So this is that for adding a length, like it just makes a line so that the all of your text don't overlap each other. So yeah, it just creates a barrier like thing. Now let's go on the video. So for adding a video, the first thing you need to do is find the video, because you want to add a video. And for adding a video, you need to find the video. Yeah. So I'm going to find a video on Kutumna. Now I will as soon as I find my video, I will continue. Till that I will find my video and then I will meet you when I found it. Resume. So every I found a video. It is a Qutub Minar, ancient marvel of Delhi with interesting history. So yeah, it is really an interesting history. I know it, the history of Qutub Minar, so that's why I'm saying. Now let's go, and your first step is to click on the share button. Then as soon as you click it, this panel will open, and in the panel you will see platform. So I will let it load. Yeah, so there are many platforms I can share, but the only thing that you care is just of embedded. This, as soon as you click on it, this will open, and then you just tick this box, start at 0.0 and all that, and then you just have to click on the copy button, and then you will see a message here, link copied to clipboard, which is a good sign. Then just close it. Then you can even close the YouTube. And now if you go on your editor and then just take this, and I will remove this code. You don't have to do that step. So, and then you what you have copied, just paste it here. So this was the copied thing, I just pasted. Now I will explain this also. Iframe is the tag. The width and height are the width and height of the tag. Then there is a source, SRC means source, and the video source. Then the title, in the title you can change it, but I can name it title. So, this is the title, and then the frame border. Allow accelerometer if you want, then you can disable it also. Then autoplay, clipboard, and everything else. This is a little bit advanced, but you can research and know that. So now add another 2 breaks here, and then there's a P tag which says this is a map below. I can even add a break here also, like this, like this. Yeah. So there's another break here, but it's not compulsory. Now there's another iframe. Now what is this? This is a map. I will also tell you how to add maps in this video. So I will just remove this already written code. This is a long code. Now, but before that I will show you how our website looks till now. How is it looking right now? So now let's just reload. This is the format, and as soon as you click here, it will load, and then it says this is a video below. Yeah, and this is the video. It is loaded. Yeah, Qutub Minar, ancient marvel of Delhi. You can see that there are a space between this is a video below and the Qutub Minar video. This is because of the break tag. If I just remove the break tag from here and then save it and then go back, just keep your eye on this break, on the just this gap, and then let me reload, and you can see that the gap is significantly less. So this just proves that the break tag is working. Now for adding a map, you do the same process. It's pretty much the same process. Just go on map.google.com and just I will type. So now Qutub Minar, it will open the location of Qutub Minar in Delhi. Yeah, it's in Delhi here, and then you just have to click on the share button like in YouTube, and then as soon as you click on the share button, wait for it, and it will open, and you just have to click on the embedded map. It will open, and then just click on the copy HTML, and then it will show the message copied to clipboard, which is a good sign. Then just close this, close the map, go on your editor and just paste the link. So I will explain this also. This is the, I told you, iframe tag in the source. After that there is the width, height, style, border, that means allow full screen, and the loading will be lazy. Yeah. I can even add breaks, but it's not needed. Now if we reload the page, so the first thing that comes is the map, and then below that there is Qutub Minar, the map of the Qutub Minar. Yeah, so I'm sorry, this is the video and this is the map. Yeah. So I think this will be it for it. The next video I will tell you how to add CSS, and in that next video, yeah, this is going to be a part video. So this is the first episode in part whatever, and then the after some time which I will post a video, that will be part 2 and the part 3 if it will continue like this. And yeah, so thanks for watching and goodbye.